Hello everyone. So what are these? So these are orbitals which we have already studied in the last lecture, and now we are going to discuss their shape and their nodal planes in more detail. So what is an orbital? The orbital is a 3D space where probability of finding the electron is maximum. Orbital is a 3D space where probability of finding the electron is maximum. So subshells, subshells are S, P, D and F, where S contains one orbital, P contains three orbitals, D contains five orbitals, and F contains seven orbitals. So we have to discuss the shape of S, P and D orbitals, and F, it is not the part of the syllabus as it is very complex. So we have to study S, P and D subshell, their orbital and their nodal planes. So starting with S subshell. Starting with S subshell, which contains one orbital. So shape of S is spherical. Shape of S is spherical. Okay, this is S orbital, a spherical in shape, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. देखो खुद ही घूम के दिखा रही है x, y and z. So this is the shape of S subshell. Spherical. And now talking about its nodal plane, कि अगर एक स्फेयर है, सपोज करो मैं एक बड़े से स्फेयर में खड़ा हूं और चाहे मैं किसी भी डायरेक्शन में देखूं, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव करूं, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फाइंडिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज एवरीवेयर. स्फेयर हैज नो पर्टिकुलर एक्सिस. It is in all the axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So S subshell has zero nodal plane. S subshell has zero nodal plane. कि हम किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव करें in a sphere, we will get probability along the three axes. We will get probability along the three axes. So S subshell has zero nodal plane. And as we have also studied the formulae of nodal nodes, there are two type of nodes, radial node. What is the formula of radial node? N minus L minus 1, and the second node is angular node, also known as nodal plane, and the formula to find the nodal plane is L, and the value of L for SPDF is fixed, S0 P1 D2 F3. The value of L is fixed for SPDF, S0 P1 D2 F3. So for S, The value of L is 0, and I have already shown that S contains 0 nodal plane. So this is about S. Now moving on to P. The P subshell has 3 orbitals, and the name of the 3 orbitals are Px, Py, Pz. Px orbitals all are 3D in space. So Px, Py, Pz. So Px means the dumbbell, the shape of P is dumbbell, and the dumbbell lies along the x-axis. The dumbbell lies along the x-axis. So y and z, they do not contain any orbital when orbital lies along the px. Y and z, y-axis and z-axis has 0 probability. For px, this is px, x-axis के along तो orbital आ गई, and y and z has 0 probability. So yz becomes the nodal plane. Yz becomes the nodal plane for Px. And according to the formula, how many nodal planes? Each p orbital contain one nodal plane. Similarly, Py. In the Py, this is Px and now Py. In the Py, the dumbbell lies along the y-axis. Probability of finding the electron is along the y-axis. And at that time, the x and the z plane, becomes the nodal plane. This in Py, the dumbbell lies along the y-axis, and x, z becomes the nodal plane. And in the pz, how this pz looks from the front. And when electron lies along the pz axis, then px, py becomes, we can't find electrons in xy plane. So xy becomes the nodal plane. So pz, the dumbbell lies along the z-axis, and xy becomes nodal plane. So P subshell has 3 orbital Px, Py, Pz, and these are the nodal planes of the P subshell. So make the notes, take the screenshot, understand it properly. So this is all about Px, Py, Pz. Px, Py, Pz, P subshell. अगर इन तीनों को कंबाइन कर दें तो दे फॉर्म कंप्लीट P subshell. So this is S, P, and now we are going on to the D subshell. So now moving on to D subshell, S, P and D. So D has 5 orbitals. D subshell has 5 orbitals, out of which 3 are similar and the another 2 they are similar. The 5 orbitals are named as dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square y square and dz square. So dxy, the shape of D orbital is double dumbbell. The shape of D orbital is double dumbbell. So dxy, x-axis, y-axis, and the dumbbell lies between this x-axis and y-axis. This is dxy. The dumbbell lies between the axis. So now we can find electron along x and y axis. So this is dxy. Similarly, dyz, dyz. This is y-axis and this is z-axis. So this is how it will look, y-axis and z-axis. और मैं अगर इसको ऐसे घुमा दूं along y and z-axis, कि y and z, और ऐसे घुमा दें along the y z axis, तो बस एक्सिस का चेंज होता है, बाकी in from the front we will get the same as along the xy axis. And this similarly, this is xz, this is xz, xz subshell. बुक्स में क्या करते हैं, इन दी बुक्स कि dxy डबल डम्बल लाइज अलोंग द x and y, sorry between the axis. In dxy the dumbbell lies between the axis x y. Similarly, for yz, what they do in books, they change the axis y, z, and the shape remains the same, y and z. And for xz, x-axis, z-axis, so this is how x-axis and z-axis तीनों को शेप सेम शो कर दिया by changing the axis to, so we can see them clearly. And now talking about their nodal planes. For xy subshell, the z-axis is empty. So for xy, there is no probability to find along the x and z, कि x और z इनके along इलेक्ट्रॉन का मिलना, x and z के along इलेक्ट्रॉन का मिलना and y and z के along इलेक्ट्रॉन का मिलना has zero probability. x y के along and y z के along, the probability of finding the electron is 0. Similarly for yz, to find the probability along xy, xy plane and xz plane. For d orbitals there are two nodal planes. So for dxy, dxz, dyz, these are nodal planes. For dyz, dx, xy, xz becomes nodal plane, and dxz कौन कौन से नोडल प्लेन बनेंगे? dxy, dyz, they become the nodal planes. And according to the formula, the angular node, the nodal plane for D are 2. So this is about x, y, y, z and zx, and now we are moving on to x square, y square. x square, y square, कोई x square minus y square बोलता है, कोई x square dash y square बोलता है. So in x square, y square, what is the difference from xy? In xy the number lies between the axes. The number lies between the axes, and in x square, y square, the number lies along the axis. The number lies along the axis. So this is x square, y square. This is x square, y square. The number lies along the x and y axis. So this is the shape of d, x square, y square, and this is dz square. In dz square, one number lies along the z axis. इसको perpendicularly show करें तो in this way, and the second number has formed a ring. It is moving around the one number in a circular shape. तो y z plane में ऐसे दिखेगा, और z plane को perpendicularly show कर दे तो it looks like this. So this in the books, z axis one number and then the other in the form of a ring. So dxy, yz, zx, x square, y square and z square. In the top above 3, the number lies, the probability is between the axes, and for the below 2, the probability is on the axis. Between the axes, 3 are similar and 2 are similar. And now coming on to their nodal plane. Coming on to their nodal plane. इसमें x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस, उसके अलोंग इलेक्ट्रॉन मिल रहा है, एंड z एक्सिस कि बोलते हैं एट एन एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्री, कि जहां पे इनमें इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलता था, अब यहां पे उसके इलेक्ट्रॉन के मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर द एंगुलर नोड इट विल बी 0. कि फॉर dxz, dyz at angle of 45 degree, this becomes the nodal plane. This becomes the, और यहां पे at an angle of 45 degree we have maximum probability, और इसमें एट एन एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्री की, या तो बिल्कुल एक्सिस के ऊपर मिलेगा, बस बीच में इलेक्ट्रॉन के मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 0। एंड फॉर डी जेड स्क्वायर, कि दिस इज एन एक्सेप्शन टू नोडल प्लेन, कि वाई जेड एक्सिस भी यूज हो रही है और एक्स वाई के अलोंग इलेक्ट्रॉन घूम रहा है, जेड एक्सिस भी यूज हो रही है और एक्स वाई के अलोंग भी इलेक्ट्रॉन के मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी प्रेजेंट है। सो डी जेड स्क्वायर, दिस इज एक्सेप्शन टू नोडल प्लेन, इट हैज 0 nodal plane. It is 0 nodal plane. So this is all about the D subshell. So this is all about D subshell, dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square y square and dz square, their shape, their nodal planes. So this is SPD. We have completed their shape, their nodal planes, and F is not part of the syllabus. So this is all about today's class, Chem 3D Mind Catalyst. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and please give your comment. Thank you so much. Bye.